Yes, this looks like the correct chart. So I'm going to go through a bunch of data-related charts. It's not really much of a presentation, but I think the data that I'll be sharing will be useful and hopefully new. So the point of this is kind of talk about the current market volatility. And when you hear market people talk about market volatility, what it means is the market is down. When the market is up, nobody talks about volatility. Everybody just talks about the market being up. Crypto markets are down across the board, but I wanted to kind of put things into a little bit of a historical perspective. The crypto markets are extremely volatile. They are the most volatile asset class out there. And if you look at the long-term history, you will see these pretty large swings both up and down. So, if you look at the BTC price chart, you see these go up to 60,000, go down to 35,000, go back up to 65,000, go down to 40,000. I mean, this is pretty much par for the course in crypto. If you look at the best performing asset class across the board over the past 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, or 10 years, it's been crypto. There's really nothing else that's kept up with it. But the price for that has been the volatility along the way. It is so crazy that it's actually easier to see what's going on the logarithmic scale. So at the bottom of the chart, there's the price history where the price is actually in logarithms. So every tick goes up 10 times. And that kind of helps you understand a little bit the current situation in the historical perspective, because the amount of the downward move is comparable to the history on the logarithmic chart. And it's easier to see that kind of what we've seen so far in 2002 and in the second half of 2021 is really not that unusual. And within the historical norms, that's just what the market does from time to time, and very often for no particularly good reason. Even though later down in the review, we'll kind of go over some of the reasons why this is happening. But this is just, this is the crypto. Welcome.